Good morning, Jumpin' Jack here. A little bit of a market update for Bitcoin. I don't think I've done one of these before, at least not for Bitcoin specifically. I think I did it for the Bitcoin dominance, but let's have a look at Bitcoin and see what's going on. We're looking at Bitcoin's 1 day chart, so each one of these bars, these candlesticks are 1 day. And Bitcoin is in a little bit of a funky spot, so let's have a look. It's Tuesday, July 29th. So here we go. Down here we had Bitcoin in an oversold zone right here, which is right here on these candlesticks right here at about the $100,000 mark. And down here it took off, and then we reach all-time highs, which is fantastic because the whole market moved up. And now Bitcoin, even though the stochastic RSI has gone down, we're seeing this up and down. It's a bit of a consolidation right here, right? This consolidation is coming to an end soon. Now it could break out either way. Today might be key. We've got, at the time of this screenshot, there's 7 hours and 1 minute left of today. We'll be looking for this current daily candlestick to close above $117,682. It needs to close above that line today to maintain a bullish outlook. So down here we have an oversold zone again, which is very promising because we had one right over here. Anytime it's an oversold zone, it's a good place to dollar cost average, and then it will eventually, the chart will move up into the overbought zone, which is where it moons and all that stuff, right? So we will eventually have this move again. It's not very far away. It doesn't just hang out down here for days and days and days on end. It hovers for a little bit and then it has to move up. That's just the way the chart does. You know, you have this little bit of an up and down here, where we can have some up and down here, but I believe that we will either see this break out to the upside to the 124,778 resistance right there. You can see 124,778 right there. I think this is more highly probable than the move down, although it could, because you never know, the news or Trump or whatever, market makers, they can change things on a dime, and you never know. But anyways, it would be very promising to see this candle today close above this support line that it's been consolidating on right here for the upside movement. Yeah, that's it. We're looking for that today. Not financial advice, just my opinion based on what I see on chart indicator history and what I suspect it would do moving forward. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.